Hi everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of widgets on Windows 10 and completely remove them from your system. Step 1. Click on the search box in Windows 10, which is usually located at the bottom left of your screen next to the Start button. This will allow you to search for applications and system tools easily. Step 2. Type CMD in the search box, which stands for Command Prompt, the tool we will use to remove the widgets. It's a powerful Windows application that allows you to run commands directly. Step 3. Right-click on Command Prompt in the search results and select Run as Administrator. Running as administrator is important because it gives you the permissions needed to uninstall system components. Step 4. Click Yes on the user account control prompt, which confirms that you want to allow Command Prompt to make changes to your device. This step ensures that you have the proper authority to perform the next actions. Step 5. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command to uninstall the Windows Web Experience Pack, which is the section that provides widgets. Step 6. Press Enter and wait for the process to complete. Windows will execute the command and uninstall the widgets automatically, which may take a few moments depending on your system. Step 7. Close the command prompt after the process finishes. This step ensures that no commands are left running and your system is ready for the next step. Finally, sign out or restart your computer to remove widgets from the taskbar completely. After restarting, you'll notice that the widgets are no longer available anywhere in Windows 10. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.